my hat alone. Alright? Stop! Give me that damn.
Need a kick? No, you gotta kick hard. Hard kick. What is that? I need you to kick. Kick the wall. Do you see it? You need to have your heels hitting this wall.
You have something I want.
My pussy matters. Black Lives Matter. My pussy matters.
Have fun paying for all of this.
Black Lives Matter. My pussy matters.
Have a great time, ma'am.
Black Lives Matter. My pussy matters.
You make no sense. What is wrong with you?
People don't matter, but her fucking pussy matters. Black lives don't matter. Her fucking pussy matters.
Geliyor! Geliyor, geliyor! 2, 3.
When people get too chummy with me, I like to call them by the wrong name to let them know I don't really care about them.
Es gibt Dinge, die wir nicht begreifen können. Sie sind einfach unvorstellbar.
Ulan binaya bak be. Taş atsam ömür boyu müebbet yerim arkadaşlar. Buna yemin edebilirim ama kanıtlayamam. Arkadaşlar bu bina Mardin'de, Mersin'de değil. Yalan atmayın. Mardin lan burası.
Go to sleep right now.
No.
Turn this phone off. I am coming. I am so upset with you right now. Go to bed. Recover. Go to bed.
To the window, to the wall, till the sweat drop down my balls, till all these bitches crawl. Skeet, skeet.
Life has a tricky way of making you feel like you can't make it. You can start out doing so well, and then things hit you and you start to waver. You start to stumble. You start to sway. Your steps get a little shorter. But if you can manage to muscle up enough strength to keep putting one foot in front of the other, it might not look well. You may have to do it ugly. But what I want you to do is continue to do it.
No, Mew evolves into Mewtwo. After that video, there are people who genuinely think I believe Mew evolves into Mewtwo, which is ridiculous because everyone knows that Mewtwo hatches from Mew, kind of like a Manaphy Fion situation.
What are you doing?
This is the pig I've been sleeping with.
That's a duck.
I wasn't talking to you.
Hello? 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 Let me out! Where the fuck am I? Hello? Hello? Let me me out the fucking dark in here. Who the fuck am I?
Mandei ela arrochar que ela nem mexeu não.
Don't know much about the French I took, but I do know that I love you.
¡Ay, Miguel!
Just tell me about the Nazis and the lost city of Atlantis.
Okay, so
what were they up to?
The Nazis,
historical bad bastards, by the way. Let me put that
HBB,
out.
absolutely right. HHF. Historical high five I'm doing for you, not a fucking. Oh my god! I was trying to high five you. Shit. Oh, I'm mental. No. I'm trying to do a historical high. HHF.
What's your sign? What it is? I'm a Cancer. That's right. Body built like what? Like a dancer. Shake.
Huh?
Stop flashing me!
Ну они оба чемпионы, призеры, начинается месиво какое-то. Кулачная работа мощная. Молчанов Павел немножко уходит вниз. Встает нормально, получает челюсть. И опять вниз уходит. Уже не встает. Нет, это все... Ух ты, ой-ой. Ё-моё.